Hi, so this is a Hornby Class 55 Deltic, the Wellington's Regiment D9014. Particularly nice example. These are very good diesels if you want to do electronic work inside the locomotive, because they've probably got more space than any other. I did a video 2 or 3 months ago on a Hornby Lima hybrid, the Lima body and Hornby chassis and motor, converted it so that you could get sounds with the locomotive running but also with the locomotive not running, and this one is similar. So if we apply full track power, the lights come on, it sounds its horn, and it starts its engine. And we can now drive off. As can be seen, it's got directional lighting and you get various different sounds coming out. Now this one is slightly different to the previous one, because here and also at the other end of the locomotive I have an infrared receiver, and so I can get the locomotive to do more things than the earlier version. So as an example, if I sound the guard's whistle, which I've done with the Infra-Red Control, the locomotive now will only make engine sounds, and it leaves it to me with the remote control to do things like sounding the horn. So I'll sound the guard's whistle again to put it into manual mode and drive off. So that was a horn sounded by me pressing button 1 on the infrared remote control. Then we could bring it in here, slow down to a stop, and hiss. You could start off again and have a bit of a squeal going over the double slip. You can also take it out of gear and rev it up. And down. Put it back into gear and drive off. And just as a little local touch, when she starts to shut down, that's her starting to shut down now. The locomotive has its own pipe band on board. The locomotive will stay alive until the track has ended.